Hi, I'm Albert Acosta, your go-to guy for smart real estate property investment.
Why is Hotel Settings Subali a great place to live? It has a complete amenities like pool, lab house, parks, playgrounds, basketball court, and jogging trails. Perfect for relaxation and bonding. It is connected to SLEX, Calax, and is soon to be developed the Cavite, Tagaytay, Batangas Road or CBTEX. So traveling to Alabang, Makati, or BGC is easy. With over 60% green and open space, you will enjoy fresh air and peaceful vibes every day. It is also less than 10 minutes from top schools, malls, and hospital. And even Solanang 4 is opening soon. First of all, the community is peaceful, spacious, and safe for all ages.
Once again, I'm Albert Acosta, your go-to guy for smart real estate property investment.